guys, Elizabeth here. Thanks for joining me to open my Play by Sephora box for June 2018. Kind of excited about some of the things I got in it. The theme this month is Beauty Boardwalk, and it got, you know, I have your little card for your 50 Beauty Insider points if you make a purchase at Sephora. It's got an expiration, and usually, like if this is June, this will expire at the end of July. So, Sephora is a $10 a month beauty box. You get 5 samples, and it used to always be perfume. Sometimes they put hair care. It's like kind of a freebie, so it's up to them what they put in it. The first item I received in this cute little Cover FX box, it is the Perfect Setting Powder. I did already pull it out because it's hard for me to get that box open. And there it is. It says 1 gram or 0.035 ounces. It's in translucent light. It has like a thing you pull up so you can get to the holes. I'm not into loose products a whole lot. I'm trying to pour it out. I can't seem to get it to come out. I'm going to have to work on that. However, since it is in this little container, I don't know how I would get my fluffy brush in there anyway. I'm probably going to take this off, and if I can pry that out and put a little bit in a dish each time so I can use it. So, oh, there, some of it came out. So it's translucent light. It does feel very soft. I'll have to see how it comes out on my skin. Some loose powders sink into some of my lines, so hopefully this will not do it. I'm kind of excited about that. The next item, I was super excited. It is the Too Faced Melted Matte in Queen Bee. Now, usually when it comes to matte lipsticks, I've tried enough to know they're not for me, but I'm going to try this formula. I'm hoping, since it's a liquid, it won't dry down to uncomfortableness. That was a terrible swatch, but I think that's gorgeous, so I'm looking forward to adding this to the collection. I'll let you know in a later video. Of course, that probably won't be till empties. That might be a long time from now. If you see it in an empty soon, you know it was too dry. Otherwise, I am going to definitely work on that this summer. The next item, Living Proof No Frizz Nourishing Styling Cream. Now, I'm on the fence. I'm definitely going to try this. It's for your hair, obviously, no frizz. It's a moisturizer, but it's a smoother. Now, my hair is thin and fine and straight as a board. I don't need smoothness, I need fluffiness. But it is moisturizing, which my hair needs, and I can feel on my skin it feels like a moisturizer. So I'm definitely going to try it. I think it feels full. This is a pretty good sample size, 1 fluid ounce, 30 milliliters. The next item is the Clinique Take the Day Off Makeup Remover. So I do have about that much left in the bottle I am using, and I have a small makeup remover. I believe it's Sephora brand. So I'm not going to get to this immediately, but I am looking forward to using that, so that's great. I was going to see if I could see the milliliters really quick. 1 fluid ounce, or 30 milliliters. Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. Now, I've heard people refer to it as Boom Boom Cream or Bum Bum Cream. I looked real quick. Let's see, 0.84 fluid ounces or 25 milliliters. I have not used it yet, and I don't know if you can see that. I've got like, it's less than half full. So I don't know if that means that this container is just too big for the amount of product, or whether when it went to put my product in my container there was a big air bubble, and you know, that little, in my mind I'm like imagining all these things are coming down on a line, these things are like squirting into it. So in my mind, I'm imagining it comes down and then like my squirt had a big air bubble in it, so I didn't get all the product. But it could just be the bottle's bigger than the amount that's supposed to be in there. It smells sweet, kind of like sweet butter. It's a cross, I would say. It's a little thicker than a lotion, not quite as thick as some body butters I've used. So I've heard about this on YouTube so much, and I am so looking forward to trying it. The next thing is the kind of freebie gift thing they throw in. And I'm happy because I did not get a perfume. I know some people love perfume, but perfumes make me cough. So it's a Marajo hair care. There's a nourishing cleansing cream and a deep treatment butter. So even though I'm usually not into foil packets, since this is like the freebie, I'll probably, with my hair texture and length, I'll probably get at least 2, maybe 3 hair washings out of it. This is, you wash, you use this like shampoo, and then you use this like a conditioner where you leave it on for 2 to 3 minutes before you wash it out. So I'm pretty excited, and I think the samples are pretty decent size too. I really like the bag. I think that's cute. A lot of times I don't have any uses for them. I think I'm going to keep that one and let it hang around for a while. I got the Cover FX translucent powder, loose powder. I have the Too Faced Melted Matte. Oh my gosh, I think that's gorgeous. I've got a very nice sample size of the Living Proof No Frizz Nourishing Styling Cream. The Clinique Take the Day Off eye makeup remover. I've heard so much about it, now I finally have some Sol de Janeiro Bum Bum Cream, or Boom Boom Cream. I'm really not sure how you pronounce it, but it looks to me like bum. I'm just saying. And then the freebie with the foil packet of hair shampoo and conditioner. So, pretty good box, I think. Pretty good size samples all around, I think. Let me know what you think down below, and I will talk with you later. Bye.